Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I'm from amandacrochets.com, and in today's video I'm going to review the Yarn Bee Sugarwheel Cotton. Now I bought this yarn recently and I fell in love with it. You can get this yarn from Hobby Lobby, and I really wanted to try it because I've never really tried a cotton cake yarn before, except for of course the Cairn cotton cakes. So I just wanted to see how this yarn was, and it did not disappoint. So as you can see, it is Yarn Bee Sugarwheel Cotton, and this particular color is called Sprinkles on Top, and it is a 5-ounce cake or 335 yards, and it retails for $5.99 a cake. However, I usually wait until Hobby Lobby has their 30% off sale every other week, so it helps a little bit with the price. And it's this beautiful rainbow color, and I instantly fell in love with it, and I knew I had to get it and make something with it. So if you turn it to the back of the label, again, it's a 5-ounce cake or 142 grams. It's 335 yards or 306 meters. It's 100% cotton. It's considered a number 3 lightweight yarn, and it is, let's see, you use a 4mm knitting needle, which is a US 6, and for crocheters they recommend a 4.5mm crochet hook or a size 7. Now I don't have a size 7 crochet hook, so I'm just going to be using a 5mm, which is a H crochet hook, and I'll go ahead and work up a little swatch for you to show you how it works up. But again, it's this beautiful rainbow color. It's super soft and squishy, and I feel like you can make this for a variety of projects, whether you want to make it for a dishcloth or a summer top, a shawl, or anything like that. I feel like it's very versatile. It's very colorful and very vibrant. Now they do have other colors on their website, and I will show you a few in a minute. I just picked up a few that I thought were really pretty, but there's about maybe 20 or so different colors to choose from. I'm not exactly sure, but I know they have quite a few options to choose from, depending on if you want something more bold like this, or if you want something more subtle with, you know, the neutral whites and tans and brown colors. So this is Sprinkles on Top. This next color is Lucia Lagoon, if I'm pronouncing that correct, and it's this really pretty bluish and kind of like a mauve pink color and a little light purple. So I really fell in love with this color as well. And then this next color is Fondant Fun, and I thought it was this really pretty as well, with that teal and purple, gray, and then the 2 pink colors. Now I have these next two. They're just leftovers as I used them in projects already, but this one is called Zest Wishes, and it's probably my favorite so far of the colors. And as you could see, it goes from yellow and then it goes to all these shades of pink and like almost like a reddish color. I made my mom a project with this, which is why I only have a little bit left, and I'll show you that project in a minute. And then this final color, again, only a little bit left over, and this one is Sugar Bliss. And then this color has like light purples and a pink and a grayish color as well. So the color that I chose was that last color, that Sugar Bliss, and I made this flower. Let's see if I can zoom out a little bit here. And this is the Blooming Flower Cushion by Attic 24, and I just modified it and made it into a wall hanging. So I used that yarn, and I kind of, with this yarn, it's very long color changes, so I kind of just picked the colors that I wanted out of that cake, and I kind of just made it as pretty as I wanted it and used the colors that I wanted to, instead of it just being like all gray and then at the end it's just a little bit of pink. So I wanted to mix it up a little bit. So you might want to do that if you're doing smaller projects, but if you're doing a larger project then you don't really have to worry about it too much. but I made my mom this flower wall hanging, and I made it in this color right here, which again was that Zest Wishes. And I thought it turned out really pretty. The center of the flower was that yellow, and then it shaded out to that pinkish color. So I thought it was really pretty, and my mom really enjoyed that for her birthday. And I really like this a lot, and I really like how this turned out. I definitely plan on making more of these flower wall hangings, and I really, really like it a lot. And I just hot glued it to the back of this wood plank, which I got from Michael's Craft Stores. So again, this is just the blooming flower cushion that I just made into a wall hanging, and I'll go ahead and leave that pattern for you below. It's a free pattern. So let me just work up a little bit of a swatch, and I will show you what this looks like. So here's my swatch so far, and like I said, it's very squishy, it's very soft, and I feel like it glides across my crochet hook very nicely. Now for that crochet blooming flower that I just showed you, I actually used a size G crochet hook. I felt like it was just a little bit better, but I just wanted to show you if you were to use a size H crochet hook, what it would look like. And as I said, it glides over my crochet hook very nicely, and I've had no trouble with it. And if you needed to rip it out because you made a mistake, it does that with ease. So you don't really have to worry about this messing up anything as far as when you tear it out. I know some yarns, especially roving yarns, if you try and pull out the yarn, it kind of gets stuck to itself and it becomes a whole big mess. But with this yarn, it glides over your hook, as I mentioned, and it tears out very easily. And again, you can make this, you can use this yarn and make a variety of projects, whether you want to make something to wear or you want to make something for your home, like a home decor, or you know, the flower I showed you. So there's definitely a ton of projects you can make with this, even if you want to make baby items like baby sweaters, hats, or even blankets. I feel like this is a perfect yarn to use because it's very soft, and I believe it is machine washable. Let me double check on that. Yes, it's machine washable, do not iron, and I feel like because of that, it makes it a good candidate for a variety of projects, like I said, whether it's for babies, for yourself, family members, or even if you wanted to donate it to charity. And I feel like the colors are very nice and vibrant, and there's a lot of great color choices out there. So again, you have everything from lighter neutral colors to more vibrant colors depending on your preference. So again, this is my review on the Yarn Bee Sugarwheel Cotton. I hope you enjoyed today's review, and I hope that you give this yarn a try next time that you're in Hobby Lobby. And if you want, you could buy this online as well. And like I said, wait for that 30% off sale, which I believe is happening next week or the week after. It's every other week that they have 30% off their entire stock of yarn. So that will help bring the price down a little bit more as well. So I plan on doing a few projects with this in the future, so be on the lookout for that. And again, this is the Yarn Bee Sugarwheel Cotton yarn review. I hope you enjoyed this review and give this yarn a try. Please like, comment, and subscribe to see all future videos by me. And as always, if there's any video that you would like to see, please leave me a comment below, as I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.